Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking play. Kate from Kate's Home Fitness, where I try to make fitness fun so you keep coming back. Today we are doing a walk rebounder workout, beginner friendly, joint friendly. Let's go ahead and get warmed up right now. Starting here with a gentle health bounce. Just to describe your form, your feet are flat on the mat, pushing down evenly into the mat. Your knees are slightly bent, they're not locked out. Your core is engaged the whole time. Your shoulders back down away from your ears and your gaze is forward, and I feel like a flight attendant. Deep breath in. We're gonna do another round of a health bounce here. Round 2, health bounce. Warming up the body gently. How do you like my scene in the background here? I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm on a Kenson mini trampoline, the 48-inch. Let me know in the description box below what trampoline you're using with me today. And side to side, step touch, go. Get the upper body involved. So we're gonna be doing just some basic moves today on the rebounder, walking, some options to take it up a notch or two or not. You know your body, only you know your body. You know when it's a push day or a pull back kind of day. Give me a walk to the side, 2, 3, 4, step, 2, 3, 4, step, 2, 3, 4, step, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, step, 2, 3, tap. Nice work. Getting the brain working too, right? 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and back to the other side. Now, one side jack. We'll get the other side after. Stomp, stomp, stomp. You're gonna feel that in your standing leg. Yes, you are. Just mixing things up, having some fun, moving our bodies. Switch to the other side. Get that stomp going. When you're ready, get the arms going. Fitness isn't a one size fits all. And never let anyone tell you that a 10-15 minute workout isn't gonna have any benefits for your body. Never listen to them. Any deposit you make into your wellness fitness tank is a deposit. March it out. 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes is better than no minutes, right? March it out. March, 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 march. Active upper body here, okay? Yes, you can. Front kicks coming up, alternating. And we're gonna get our upper body going here too. Kick, kick, kick. Your height. If it's higher than me, if it's lower than me. You're moving. That's what the goal is. You're flushing out your lymphatic system. You're promoting circulation throughout the body. You're working your cardiovascular system. And you're working your noggin drill. March it out. Lots working, right? March, 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 march. I want you to try some surfers with me. So 10 seconds here. Watch me first. I want you to be stationary for a moment, and I want you to try jumping to the opposite side. Using your arms to help you get that momentum. Okay, or you can step it. Practice switching directions. How you doing? Excellent. Yes, you can. How was that? Did you do it? Let's get the arms circling here while we're marching in place. Why not? Don't hold your breath. High knee pulls coming. 1, 2, 1, 2. A double. Threw that on you. Double. And give me 1, 1, 1, 1. Back to 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. Switch, double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. Finish it, double. I know we went over, that's all right. Finish it off. Woo. I want to say thank you to everyone that's leaving me messages from all over the world. It warms my heart. In the morning when I read the messages, it just makes me smile, and I so appreciate it. So thank you very much. Heel, front heel. Go, and go, and go, and go. You can jump it, keep it going this way, whatever works for you. Very nice. We're gonna steady the feet and do some squatting. Yes, we are. We need to work that lower body. Wider stance. Go down, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4, down. 2, 3, 4, up. 2, 3, 4, down. 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Give me some rapid squats to close this one out. And one more. Nice work, march it out, with or without the bounce. This is no bouncing, this is with the bounce. Flat foot, allowing the mat to rebound. You back up. Whew. Legs are burning from those squats. Full-blown jacks or modified jacks. We were off to the side doing singles. Now we are alternating here. Nice work. Wanted to come on here and move my body. It's during the holiday season, and I just needed a break from life, and I needed to move my body. March it out. So I wanted to come on here and give you some of my favorite moves that I like to do to move my body. I hope it resonates with you. Thank you for joining me. Gonna do some punches now, because if you know me, I love cardio kickboxing and punching. Gets a lot of stress out of you too, right? Punch, 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 and recoil quickly. Watch the lower body is involved here. Back on guard, protecting your face, right? Strike, recoil, strike, recoil. Are you watching yourself in a mirror as you're working out? Hook, hook, hook. It's a dead stop, right? Boom, as if you're picturing you're punching somebody. Dead stop. Deliberate. Working that upper body. Some core, legs, coordination. Uppercut, uppercut. Boom, boom, boom. Still the lower body. Working. Strike, another hard stop. Boom. Right under their chin. Boom, boom, boom. It comes from the body, from the leg. Boom, boom, boom. Strike. Gosh, I could do cardio kickboxing all day long. March it out. Whew. March it out. Out, out, in. But instead of walking it, we're going to hop it if you can. We're gonna do some double and singles. Just play around with it, have fun. That's what today's workout is. It's fun. Double out, double in. Double out, double in. Double out, double in. Single, 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 single. Double, 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 single, 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 double, 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 single, 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 double, 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 double. March it out. Did you get that? I think you did. March, march, march. We're going into some skier hops. Coming up, you keep that march in place going. We are almost done. Getting ready, one side. So skiers, hop, hop, hop. Pretending you got those poles in your hands. Skiing down that mountain in the winter. What is it? Just maybe like 15 or 14 days till Christmas, 2025. Merry Christmas. Ski down that mountain with me. Last one here. March it out. Round 26. Butt kickers on deck. Wider stance. Don't forget about that core. Right now you're finishing out 8 seconds, marching in place. Catch your breath. Wider stance. And kick your butt. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single. Oh, that was a double. Single, single, double. All right. Single, single, double. Single it out here. Just stay here. And march it out. All right. Let's cool things down. I've got to get back to my holiday prep and work and emails and editing and all the things, right? I've got to get back to it, but I had to come on here and I needed to move my body. It was speaking to me saying, hello. All right, last 30 seconds here. Gentle health bounce. 2 rounds here. Round 29 and round 30 of a health bounce, okay? Catch your breath. I hope you enjoyed this random, spontaneous workout with me. It wasn't pre-planned, pre-choreographed. Another round here, health bounce. It was just getting on here, sort of freestyling it, moving my body before I have to get back to stuff. You can come back and do this a couple times a day if you want. Oh boy. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you need a longer cool down and stretch, please go ahead and do that on your own. Also, free for you to do that help me get picked up by the algorithm and shown to more people for free is for you to freely do liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, take care.